Welcome to our Ultimate Shaving Kit Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular grooming tools, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 and the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro. Both of these products promise to deliver exceptional grooming experiences, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit offers a remarkable 12-in-1 functionality, allowing users to trim, detail, and groom various areas of the body and face. In contrast, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro focuses on being a hybrid shaver and trimmer, providing a more specialized approach to grooming. While Braun covers a broader range of grooming needs, Philips excels in its unique blade technology. When it comes to blade technology, Braun utilizes standard blades, while Philips introduces its innovative OneBlade 360 technology. This unique design allows the blade to move in all directions, ensuring a comfortable shave with minimal skin irritation. The flexibility of the OneBlade provides a significant advantage for users looking for a close and efficient grooming experience. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase decision. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit is priced at $119, reflecting its extensive functionality and premium features. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro is significantly more affordable at $57, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. It's essential to weigh the features against the price to determine which product offers the best value for your grooming needs. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 and the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro have their strengths and weaknesses. Braun offers versatility and a comprehensive grooming experience, while Philips provides innovative technology at a lower price point. Depending on your grooming needs and budget, either of these products could be a great addition to your grooming routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.